Hi everyone, this is Mrs. McGee, and I love math. It's okay if you don't love math. I love it enough for all of us, and I'm here to help you understand it better. Let's get started. Today, we're going to solve a multi-step inequality. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. All right, so when we're solving an inequality, our goal is to get the x by itself and solve for 1x. We're going to use the same steps that we do for algebraic steps until the very last step. So let's get started with our algebraic steps. Our goal is to get the x terms together, and when I move a term, I have to do the opposite. So I'm going to move this 2x. So to move a 2x, I'm going to do a minus 2x. 2x minus 2x goes away to 0. Whatever I do to the right side, I have to do to the left side. Let me get rid of that little line there. There we go. On the left, that gives me 2x plus 7 is less than or equal to negative 11. Do not forget to use the minus 11. That stays with the 11 term. Now we go back. We're trying to get the 2x by itself again. So I have to move the 7. I'm going to do a minus 7 to both sides. That's going to give me 2x is less than or equal to negative 18. Now we're on the last step. We want to get the x by itself, and the x is being multiplied by 2, so I have to divide by 2. I have to do that to both sides. Now here's where I want to talk about the very last step. The rule for inequalities is if you multiply or divide by a negative, you have to flip or reverse this inequality because it changes the direction on a number line. But I'm not dividing by a negative. I'm dividing by a positive 2. A common mistake is that many students look at the 18 and they see the negative 18. Well, that's not what I'm dividing by. I'm dividing by a positive 2. So I do not change the symbol at all. It stays in the same direction. So that gives me a positive x is less than or equal to negative 9. So the rules for an inequality are that you solve it by the same steps that you use for any algebraic equation except for the last step. If you divide by a negative, you have to reverse the symbol. In this case, I divided by a positive 2, so the symbol stayed the same. Thank you for watching the video. If this was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.